Can you imagine that a simple smell could be the first sign of a fatal disease? Ignoring these odors could cost your life and the lives of those you love. Today, we will reveal 8 smells that may be related to cancer and that almost no one notices. Stay alert. Recognizing these signs could be the step that saves your life. Don't ignore them. 8 smells related to cancer you need to know, a vital health alert. In today's video, we will reveal 8 smells that could be associated with cancer, signs that are often overlooked. Recognizing these indicators could be crucial to identifying the disease in its early stages, increasing the chances of successful treatment. Stay attentive. This knowledge could save lives. If you find this video useful, comment 1 below. If not, comment 0. Your feedback helps us create more relevant content for you. Now, let's begin. 1. Musty smell, possible indication of mouth and throat cancer. A persistent odor resembling mold or rotting wood may be an early sign of mouth or throat cancer. This occurs due to tissue necrosis in the area and the release of volatile compounds by tumors. This smell is often noticed in breath and is frequently mistaken for poor oral hygiene. Other signs to watch for: persistent hoarseness, difficulty swallowing, sores in the mouth or throat that don't heal, white or red patches in the mouth. If you notice this smell combined with these symptoms, seek an otolaryngologist or oncologist immediately. 2. Decomposition odor, warning sign for colorectal cancer. Changes in the smell of feces, especially a strong odor resembling decomposition, may indicate colorectal cancer. This smell arises from the release of toxins and gases due to impaired digestion. Other associated signs: presence of blood in the stool, persistent abdominal pain, changes in bowel habits, unexplained weight loss. Never ignore significant changes in the smell of feces. Consult a doctor for tests such as a colonoscopy. 3. Sweet smell of concern, breast cancer sign. In advanced stages of breast cancer, sores or ulcers may emit a sweet and unpleasant odor caused by infections or tissue necrosis in the affected areas. Other important signs: lumps in the breast or armpits, changes in the texture or color of the breast skin, abnormal nipple discharge, persistent pain in the breast area. If you notice this smell or associated signs, see a doctor immediately. 4. Sulfur-smelling breath, stomach cancer. Warning: breath with a sulfur odor resembling rotten eggs may indicate gastric cancer. This happens due to digestion issues and the release of sulfurous gases in the digestive system. Associated symptoms: continuous abdominal pain, feeling full too quickly, frequent nausea and vomiting, unexplained weight loss. Consult a gastroenterologist if you notice this smell along with other symptoms. 5th. Rotting meat smell, skin cancer sign. Skin cancer lesions, especially melanomas, may emit a smell similar to rotting meat caused by tissue necrosis. This odor is often noticed in open wounds or non-healing lesions. Other signs: sores that increase in size or change color, lesions that don't heal, changes in the texture or appearance of the skin. If you notice these signs, consult a dermatologist. 6. Strong ammonia, smell in urine, kidney cancer alert. A strong ammonia smell in urine may be an early symptom of kidney cancer, resulting from the buildup of chemicals due to compromised kidney function. Other symptoms to watch for: blood in the urine, persistent pain in the back or flanks, severe fatigue, unexplained weight loss. Persistent changes in urine odor should be evaluated by a urologist. 7. Metallic odor in breath or sweat, blood cancer. Warning: a metallic smell in breath or sweat could be one of the first signs of leukemia or lymphoma. This happens due to chemical changes caused by cancerous cells in the body. Other associated signs: extreme fatigue, persistent fever, recurrent infections, unexplained weight loss. If you notice this odor and associated symptoms, see a doctor immediately. 8. Sweet and fruity smell, lung cancer sign. Breath with a sweet, almost fruity smell could indicate lung cancer. This smell results from the release of volatile compounds during the altered metabolism of tumor cells in the lungs. Other possible symptoms: persistent cough, difficulty breathing, chest pain, unexplained weight loss. Changes in breath odor or respiratory symptoms should be investigated by a pulmonologist. Conclusion: paying attention to unusual body odors may help identify warning signs of severe diseases like cancer. Early diagnosis can save lives, and small details make all the difference. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more health-related content. Together, we can spread awareness and help prevent serious diseases.